So today I'm showing you my custom made Buzz Lightyear wings. These wings I designed myself for a 3D printer, and I actually printed these. This is just some residue from the supports that were used to make the wings. They're larger than the normal wings that were there, as you can see. So yeah, I just wanted to make my own wings. So unfortunately though, I'm going to need to redo these because only one will go in. So that's only function one. This one here won't click into place. So, anyhow, yeah, I spent 4 hours designing this print, and then it takes 4 hours to actually print it on the 3D printer, layer by layer. And then, you can print these in just about whatever color you want. But, yeah, I'm going to need to redesign these. I did get the measurements correct, though, because here I actually measured how wide that needs to be and everything. And I actually made this slot on there. Just they're not quite wide enough at the bottom right here, so that this one can actually latch in. It's just not quite big enough. Anyhow, yeah, I just wanted to show you all what that looks like. So stay tuned for my next video. I might have these redesigned within a couple months. So these wings can be used for any of the sort of 90s versions of Buzz, because those ones have the smaller wings. And then you basically just need to take apart his jetpack and switch them out for these. So, I hope you enjoyed my video. If you have any questions, just let me know. Thanks.